Forgotten username recovery failed on PocketGuard Plus Fix. If you've tried recovering your PocketGuard Plus username and nothing seems to work, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by rushing the process or using an outdated email address. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, you can regain access quickly and safely. Step 1. Open the PocketGuard Plus app or website and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. PocketGuard will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and sending multiple requests in a short time can temporarily lock your account. Patience here is key. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details like your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact PocketGuard support directly with this information. Details about recent transactions or linked bank accounts can help speed up the verification process. Step 4. Once your username is restored, store it safely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, reducing the chances of future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your PocketGuard Plus account efficiently. Proper verification and credential management are essential for keeping your finances and budgeting uninterrupted. With the right process, you'll be back in control of your account in no time.